Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing another Wheel of Slime video. And so I'm going to grab my wheel out here. And I've done this once already. So here's the lovely Wheel of Slime. And if you haven't seen my first video on this, then you should go check it out. But I do have my sister here with me again, like I did last time. So yeah, but before I spin the wheel, be sure to subscribe to become a member of the Kawaii Slime Club. And also, we are almost at 50 subscribers, and I've said this before, at 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a big giveaway. So make sure to comment down below what you want to win. So yeah, let's get on with spinning. If it's the same one, like last time I got Jiggly Slime, if it's the same one, I'm going to do a different one. Sorry, guys. Oh, and it's Jiggly Slime. Okay, Crunchy Slime. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to be doing Crunchy Slime today. And yeah, so I have my bowl here. Just going to fix the camera. There we go. Okay, so I got my bowl here, and I'm going to pour in some glue. I'm not going to make a huge batch. I'm just going to make a little batch. Okay. There we go. Cap back on. Okay. I feel like, let's see, one second. I'm going to make it, what color should I make it? I don't know what color to make it. I'm going to make it yellow, I guess. Yeah, I guess I just feel like making a yellow slime. Okay. Do I have yellow food coloring? Sorry, you guys. Okay. So actually, I will be doing pink. Yeah, I'll be doing pink, I guess. So I'm gonna add in some pink food coloring. And sorry if this video is kind of late. I'm trying to post like 2 times a week. So like once will be like on the weekend, and then another video will just be like during the week someday. Okay, I definitely need more food coloring. So yeah. Okay, need more. Okay, I think I like that pink because it's kind of like a light pink. You guys can't really see it on camera, but it's darker on camera than it is. Things always look different. And then later I'm going to be adding a little bit of this really pretty, one second, this really pretty like white glitter, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So now, and I'm also going to be adding the beads after too. So, so yeah. Just going to keep mixing that in. Okay. So now I'm going to grab... Actually, I'm going to keep mixing that. Okay, so I'm going to add in this, and this is just like a soap that I got. It was only $1.50 at Michael's, so I just use it to send to my slimes, and it also makes it really